A lot of contractors and home improvement companies, they just run free estimate ads. And now these ads work, but to a limited extent, because at any given time in the market, there's only 2 to 3% of the people who are ready to buy now. And when you're running free estimate ads, you're just appealing to that small segment of the market, and which means everybody is advertising to the same 2 to 3% with the same message. Homeowners see dozens of these almost identical ads every day, and they just tune them out. You blend in with everybody else. Your cost per lead goes up as everybody is competing for the same leads and the same, pool of people. And when you raise your budget, the algorithm struggles to find new leads as your ads keep being shown to the same 2 to 3%. Again, when you're targeting this 2 to 3% at the bottom of the funnel here, these are the most expensive, most competitive, because everybody just wants these. And nobody is going after the 97, 98% of people who are not ready yet. And these are the biggest pool of people, and they're the cheapest to acquire because no one's going after them, right? Because a lot of people, companies thinking short term, right? They just want to sell now. So they're just targeting the bottom of the funnel, people who are ready to buy now. But they don't focus and nurture the rest of, these people at the, top of the funnel, middle of the funnel. And to attract people who are at the top middle of the funnel, mostly middle of the funnel, is we need to come up with a lead magnet. Now, a lead magnet is something of value that you give to your prospects, to your leads, in exchange for their email and their information. And with that email, you can stay top of mind and nurture the leads so that when they're at the bottom here, when they're ready to pull the trigger, you're the first name they think of, because you've been top of mind through email nurture sequences and all that. Now, your lead magnet could be a energy savings calculator, a free service. There's a lot of possibilities, but the easiest one that you can run is simply a pricing and buyer's guide, because a lot of people who are in the middle of the funnel, they're considering their option. This is something that can attract those people, right? What it costs for us, how to choose the right installer without getting burned. So you're giving them two different kind of value. One is the pricing and the other one is a guide. So you can put them into one, and you can make this very easily with ChatGPT and come up with a maybe 1 to 2 page PDF that you can share, or you can write it yourself if you want to go actually in detail and share your knowledge with the homeowners. And so when you come up with a lead magnet, then you're going to be able to get more leads for the same ad spend, and you're going to get more volume of leads because you're targeting a bigger pool of people again. And these leads over here, they're the cheapest because no one's going after them. Everyone's just down here, thinking short term. They're just going after these. Now, this type of ad also is going to attract the people at the bottom of the funnel and also in the middle of the funnel. So you're getting bigger people. So it's very important that you utilize this strategy of having some sort of a lead magnet to get more people into your ecosystem where you can nurture them and then sell to them when they're ready. That's about it.